Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of Crypto Rules, and today I want to share with you guys my full trading strategy. And before you think, hey, this dude is trying to sell me stuff, no, I'm not asking $1 for it. It's completely free, as are the Pionex trading bots. So stick with me on this video, and in the end I will tell you, if you want to use this strategy, how you can obtain it. So let's head over to TradingView, because that is where we're going to set up our strategies. It can't be done on Pionex exchange. Once again, not selling you anything. TradingView, you only need the free accounts. You don't have to spend $1 on TradingView. So as you can see, here's a trading chart of Bitcoin on the daily time frame. So each candle is 1 day. And people are looking and setting up various grid bots around areas like, I think it's going to go up or it's going to go down, but they don't know how to set the parameters on where to take profit or put a stop loss. Because remember guys, there are no strategies that are 100% profitable. You will have losers. You don't have to be thinking, well, if it runs out of my grid, let's draw it again, it's gonna go up eventually anyway. Well, imagine if it's gonna go down all the way. Yeah, that's really low, but all the way down, and it's gonna take like maybe 1.5 years. So you're stuck in loss for a long time. You don't want that. Sometimes the trade goes against you, and you just have to cut your losses and move on to the next trade and try to be profitable there. And this trading strategy I have been using for multiple years already. Even worked with a trading prop firm in London while I was still trading Forex. And I also shared my back testing results and my forward testing, and this strategy is profitable. I have never shared it before except to my friends and family. And now I want to give you guys an opportunity to look at my indicators, because you can have trading strategies multiple ways. One of the ways is people draw support and resist. So they draw lines where they say it's going to bounce there, or I think there's going to be some action or a reaction, etc. And some people are really making money from it because they mastered this art. This is not a science, this is an art. And if you get an advantage over the market using these lines, you can become profitable. But it's a lot of dedication to master this trading strategy. What I'm trying today is to provide you with a simple trading strategy. Maybe extremely simple, because a trading strategy doesn't have to be extremely hard to read or to execute. The easier it is, the better it is, in my opinion. So let's show the indicators. First, the alerts. So you see long, short, long, short, long, short. There's a calculation behind the scene that calculates and prints a candlestick, or prints an icon for either going long or going short. So we're not going to dive into it. We're going to keep it really basic information. But either way, when this one gets printed, it's also an alert, and you can set alerts on this one on TradingView. So you get a notification on your email or on your mobile telephone. Hey, there's a short being printed. Go check out the charts, because there's a new opportunity that you can run a trading grid bot. So open up the next one, and you see two more things appear on the screen. And what are these things? Well, you see a cloud and you see a line, and that line breaks colors. I made it this way that all the candles that are below turn red, and if it's above, the line turns green and all the candles turn green. If you look at this rally, for example, this rally, you see all the green lines. When I turn off my indicator, you will see that there are red and green candles in this rally. As you can see, red, 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 and greens. Oh, I took that away because I don't want, oh, what what did I do? To take away the emotion. So now when it's above, when I don't see this big red candle, I don't think, oh no, we're gonna go in a bear market or it's gonna retrace, so I'm gonna close my grid trading bot because I'm in profits now. No, we wanna have, when we enter the trade with our grid trading bot, we wanna know when to exit and when to take our profit. And that's the third part that comes in, the cloud. The cloud is not just a cloud that's got drawn on the chart. No, there's a real calculation behind it. It's based off the ATR, the average true range. Or you can say it's going to count the last 14 days and calculate the average range of the volatility. That's our take profit and stop loss. And now you think, can you use that as just take profit and stop loss? Yes, you can. And it has been proven time and time again that it works. So let's dive into some trades and see what a false signal looks like and what are valid signals. A valid signal is when you get a alert, a long being printed, and the candle closes above the line. So the candle turns green, and the line turns green, and we get a signal. So this is our entry. Here we get a short being printed, followed by a red candle closed below the line. This is a valid indication to enter a grid bot. Here we got a long, so we go long. It's above the candle, above the line, and a long. Here is a short, and here is a first false signal. Although this calculation decided to print a long grid bot here, the other indicator disagrees. And by disagreeing it becomes an invalid signal for us. So we won't enter this trade. So we only enter trade when this one gets printed and the candle turns green and closes above. But it didn't. So we're gonna ignore this and we're gonna go further. We got another short and this one lines up. It's below the line, turns red. So we're gonna open a grid bot here and the last invalid signal that would have been profitable, maybe, or not, because we're gonna ignore it. It didn't line up with the others. So here it says long, but it's below the line in the red candle, so we're not gonna enter it. Fast forward a few days, and here we got a short. This is the Elon Musk candle, thank you. We got a short signal, and it's below the line. So we could have entered a trade here. Now let's dive in and look at some results. I don't want to drag it on too long because otherwise this video is going to last really, really long. Either way, there's our entry point. So we got a signal on this candle and we got the outer lines of the cloud is going to be our stop loss, and the bottom is going to be our take profit. So if we can draw it in, something like this. Let's see. So this chart now told us where we want to exit the chart, our stop loss, and cut our losses if the market turned against us. And we had a stop and take profit area. After the signal, we had 1, 2, 3, yeah, let's say maybe 4 days. We had our grid bot running before it got our take profit. And we would have gotten out. We would have taken a profit and not looked back at this trade because it was a successful trade and we made money on it. It was a successful grid bot. So let's remove these drawings. This was a false signal. Here we have another short, so we're gonna type it in again. Okay, short. This was our stop loss, gonna be red, and we had our take profit. So that one was green. Well, we can think about, yeah, let's draw then. It's a little bit easier to see. So this was our grid bot with all the settings from this trading strategy. So we're gonna ignore this wick because we entered here. We had 1, 2, 3, and 4 day. We got our take profit again. And we had another successful grid trading bot being filled, and we netted the profit into our balance. Moving forward. This was an invalid. This was a valid one. Let's map it in. It's all shorts at the moment. Either way, this was candle. This was the outer line, and this is candle. This is the bottom. So this was the profit, and this was the stop loss. And we're gonna draw the grid in again. So that would have been our grid. Once again, this was when we started it. 1, 2, 3. The third day, our grid bot was profitable, and we closed the grid bot waiting for a new signal. And we got a lot of charts. So if you think, yeah, but with this strategy, I only got a few trading opportunities. No, you're not, because there are multiple trading pairs. You can do it on a lot of trading pairs. Here we got a long, so let's take that example, otherwise this video is going to drag on for way too long. So all lined up, valid signal, we're going to draw our lines. On top of this is our take profit, and at the bottom is our stop loss. So we're going to draw it in with colors, so everybody you can see it. And let's draw the grid button. So we got our parameter set out because the bot provides it instantly, or the bot, this trading strategy. Take profit, stop loss, and as you can see here, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 day, our bot turned into profits. Sorry. So this is the trading strategy that I use, and you can use the multiple pairs. Now we had winners. I can look for a loser, because I don't want to claim that I only have winners, because it's not. I also lose. Let's see if this was a loser. This was a short. This was the take profit area was here, and the stop loss area was. This could have been a stop. Maybe or just touched it or didn't. Yeah, on my screen it was. Let's say this was a losing trade. So if we draw on our grid, you will see it was 1, 2, 3. We either would have been knocked out, but let's say for this example, we got knocked out, we took our loss, and we were waiting for a new opportunity to happen. Otherwise, if it didn't happen, then this was the ultimate grid bot. All the grids were filled, and then we worked all the way down, and we had a total of, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days of full profitable grid trading and taking our grid profits. Awesome. Either way, this is the trading strategy. You got it, everything on your screen. If you want to use this strategy for free, the only thing I ask in return, if you want to use my referral link on Pionex, and if you're a verified user, or not a verified, but if you got your set up and you're visible for me in my referral, I will show you how to set up or implement these indicators on your TradingView account. Once again, completely free. I'm not asking a dime. And for now, I want to thank you for watching and for the likes and for the subscribes the last couple of days. I really appreciate it. And everybody, stay safe out there. We are currently having a little bit of a drawdown in the market. So keep your capital safe and see you next time. Bye bye.